Good evening, Shanti Priya. Your Federal Bank interview is on which date?
23rd, sir.
Which place? Trivandrum.
Yes, sir, Trivandrum.
What is your degree subject?
MBA, sir.
Good. MBA in finance.
Finance and marketing, sir.
Excellent. Finance and marketing. Can you tell me why you chose marketing? Are you interested in moving around places to meet people and get deposits and all that? Or can you do that for us?
Sure, sir. That's the reason why I chose the marketing during my MBA period itself. So I had done my degree in BBA. From there on, I had an interest in this marketing. Then after joining my MBA, in the first sem, we didn't have to take any specialization. So we do had a faculties who are taking marketing. They were so good. So I chose to take the MBA as a specialization in my second year. Regarding this, I always like to meet people to convince them to take these policies from the bank. In my previous experience also, I had worked in a 6 months in a reputed market research firm. So my duty was to reach these various households to convince the people to do this market research survey. So I believe that from that experience onwards, I can do well in this banking role, sir.
Can you tell me what are the qualities you have that suits requirement of our bank?
Okay, sir. The first one is customer centric approach, sir. I can easily manage and talk with the people to make convince them to take an account or policy from our bank. The this skill had been gained from my previous experience as a executive in market research firm. From there, I had to reach each and every common people from low income people to highly income people. So I was able to communicate with them to make them convinced to do this market research survey. So I believe that from that I can make a good customer centric relation in this bank. Second, I believe that I'm a person with multitasking skill. I had to in my as I already said that in my previous experience I had to manage around 5 to 6 projects at a time. From that I had gained this multitasking skill which is very essential for this banking role, because I had to do the tasks like meeting the customers, doing the paperwork in the bank, assisting the my manager also to bring business to the bank. So I believe that I had this skill. Thirdly, I believe that I'm a good person with leadership skill and team management. I can manage a group of people. I had managed it also around 30 to 35 people at a time. I had managed it very well. So I believe that these are the main three qualities that I had for this job role, sir.
Okay, good. How do banks earn money?
So basically, the bank earns money by giving loan to the customers, by charging an interest rate from them by giving the loan. Secondly, they do have these interest charges in for like they get the charges for giving for the transactions. There are transaction charges for from they are taking from us. Also, they are taking the charges for this issuing debit card. And when we do transaction, they had take some money. Along with that, now the banks are various other services like offering insurance product, acting as a portfolio management. From there also the banks are getting income, sir.
What is para banking activities?
So para banking activities are the activities the banks are doing other than giving loans and accepting deposits, like wealth management, acting as a portfolio management, accepting mutual funds, offering such kind of services.
Why you omitted the insurance product? Doesn't
Oh,
matter.
okay,
What
sir.
is wealth management?
So in my wealth management is sorry, sir, I'm not getting the point.
What is wealth management means? See, high net worth individuals, they will
Okay,
be
sir.
approaching the bank to get suggestions for investment, and
Okay, sir.
bank people will be giving suggestions to them for investing in mutual funds or government securities depending on their risk taking desire,
Okay,
and
sir.
to get more profit from the funds they have got. And for
Okay, sir.
that service, bank will be getting commission.
Okay, sir.
For the service rendered, bank will be getting commission.
Okay, sir.
Shanti Priya. What is your father?
Actually, my father was an NRI. He was working around 12 years. Then he started the business here in Kerala itself. It had been run for 2 years. Unfortunately, now he's no more.
Oh,
That's
oh, I'm sorry. When did he die?
on January, sir.
In this year.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry. What was the ailment?
Sorry, sir.
What was the disease he had?
No, no disease, sir. It was an road accident, sir.
Oh, very sorry.
Okay.
Did you claim some benefits from the insurance company?
Yes, sir. We had filed a case in the court. It is ongoing, sir.
Case is going on. Acha,
Yes,
acha.
sir.
It will take time. That's right. Very
Yes, sir.
sad. Mother is what? She is a housewife?
Actually, he was a house. She was a housewife. Now she's taking care of our business, sir.
Excellent. Good. Now, can you tell me the current CEO and previous CEO of Federal Bank?
So the current CEO is Mr. KVS Manian, and the previous senior CEO was Mr. Sham Srinivasan, sir.
Good. Can you tell me how would you contribute in making or developing our bank?
Okay, so the after if I am getting this job role, there will be training for me to how to become a how to do this job in this particular role. From that training and my previous experience, I will try to make a good relationship with the customers because the customers are the major part for every banking sector. So I believe that with my skills and experience that I had gained, I will be able to make the customers to open the accounts, and also along with that I will make sure that they will take other policies in the bank. Along with that I will always study the current market condition, the things that the competitors are offering to the customers. Then I will always try to make a plan to meet the targets in the bank by talking with my seniors and taking their suggestions. That it will be the things that I will be doing firstly for my job, sir.
What was your favorite subject in your school days?
In my school days, it was biology, sir.
Biology. Acha. What are your hobbies now?
Actually, I like to draw pictures, sir. I had started learning drawing pictures from my third standard onwards. I started from pencil drawing. Now I'm doing more digital art, sir.
What do you understand by mis-selling?
Uh, Mis-selling, I'm not getting the.
Mis-selling means
Okay.
selling a product by giving false ideas or
Yes,
false promises
yes,
about
sir.
the
About the
product
products.
we are selling or
Okay.
service we are selling.
Okay.
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 Can you convince me to take a ULIP plan? What is ULIP?
I'm not sure about it, sir.
Unit linked insurance plan. So it is actually we will be remitting buying units. A portion of that money will be invested in insurance, and so
Yes.
that we get insurance coverage. Balance money will be invested in other shares and debentures. So we will get interest income from that also.
Okay.
Good. Now, last question for you. Please tell me a role model other than your relatives and tell why is your role model.
Okay, sir. In my school days, the person which I had get a inspiration is APJ Abdul Kalam sir, because I remember that there was a poem of him in my eighth or ninth standard. Then I came to know more about him. It was regarding a dream, how we should dream and how we should act to achieve those dreams. From that onwards, he was one of my role models. So after that, I had to watch all the videos, the speeches that he's giving, his way of style of communicating with the children and other people, and how he make the youth to dream big. So from that onwards, I had gained that quality of dreaming big and taking steps to achieve that. So I believe that he is one of my role models.
Tell me current affair news, five current affair news in the last 2 3 days.
Okay, so first one will be uh, the Indian government had decided to give this telemedical help for these union territories in Andaman, Nicobar, and Lakshadweep. It was one of the first news. The second news is uh, the retail inflation is very much high in India. It was in the newspaper. The second and the third one will be um, uh, today there was a claim that the Israel had killed one of the major Hamas leader of Palestine group. Uh, Fourth one will be mm, uh,
Did
mm,
you go through the banking update dated 19th October that was sent to all the members of the group?
no, sir, I didn't go through that.
Newspaper.
Sir, I didn't go through that, sir.
Oh. So did you go through some of the newspapers at least I have given?
Yes, sir. Every day I do read the newspaper, sir.
But why are you not able to remember with an intention to tell them? Yeah.
Maybe.
Anyhow, thank you. No
Thank,
problem. Best
okay, sir.
wishes.
Thank you, sir.